Hey Daves, welcome again. So right now what we'll be looking at is how to set up your account on Sparco. If you earlier watched the video earlier, I guided you on how the website works. Now go straight to knowing how to set up and configure Sparco accounts on MoneyUnify. So if you open the documentation on MoneyUnify, when you go to the moneyunify.com website, you check the docs, it will drag you here. And when you scroll down and you want to begin collecting money in Zambia, soon to come to Tanzania and Kenya by Sparco, what you can do is log in, not log in, rather go straight to MoneyUnify, open the docs, and you'll find a guiding here on how to set it up. So currently, it's active in Zambia, as mentioned before, and they charge roughly about 3.5%, 3% transaction fees. Uh, and to get started, let's just push it in. So first, as the doc suggests, let's follow the instructions. And when you open the Sparkle documentation itself, first you have to log into your account here, which will drive you to this page. If you don't have an account, you can set up a new one. So I already have an account, but if you do not have, you can go ahead and set up a new one. You will land here, you enter business description, etc. When you're done with that, go ahead and log in. So I'm using one of the accounts for uh, some business. I was testing it on. So your overview here to give you overview of your monies, transactions to show you transactions, that's Sparkle issues. But what we're interested in here, do not worry about how to integrate this, is the settings where you have your PIN and everything. You find your secret key and private key here. I won't open it because it has my private key and secret key. So yeah, but when you go here, you obtain your private and secret key, which will be needed when you go to your Money Unify. You log in here. The next step, that's after creating your Sparkle account. You'll be required to go to MoneyUnify, log in here, and you arrive here. So we'll need those here for Sparkle configurations. And not to forget, when you create a Spark account, you have to submit your details to them. So I'm sure under settings, there is an option for you to verify your business. You can contact them, then they'll activate your account to be able to receive payments. And once that is done, you can close this, it's no longer needed. Now the most important part is obtaining those keys. So for me, I already have those keys. I'll just paste them here. And when I paste them here, what will happen is I will receive my, they'll be saved rather for future use. The next step after this, after you've done pasting your keys here, I'm sure you can even see them here, is to move on to the next stage, which is integrating your API. And I'll share this in the next video on how you can now collect money from Airtel, Zamtel, MTN. And Spark also offers you the ability to settle the money into your bank account or settle the money into an MTN or Zamtel account. That means you can disburse, even using the API on MoneyUnify, it allows you to disburse funds and send funds to your mobile networks, MTN and Zamtel. But you can collect from both three networks operating in Zambia, mobile money networks. You can trigger payments and customers can pay using USSD. And if you go back to the documentation, we're assuming you created your Spark account and you created your MoneyUnify account. When you go here, click login. If let me just log out actually. When you click login, what will happen is you will land here. But since you're new and you don't have an account, you can go ahead, create an account, your email, name, email, and password, confirm, then register, and you'll find yourself here. Then get your Sparkle credentials, paste them here, and you move on to the next step. In the next video, I'll share with you how you can now initiate or begin collecting money from Sparkle. And these APIs, basically the guideline, as we have a minute, is to this is how you can collect money. You send it via a post request. I have some images as well attached to just demo to you how you can initiate that and trigger a payment. Once you fire an API request, that's a beauty of MoneyUnify. With this simple code, a customer will receive a prompt saying this much has to be deducted based on how much they are paying for that product they're shopping on your website or app. And you're good to go. Money is being collected just like that. You're receiving payments. No need of jargon integration. And it for all other merchants on MoneyUnify. So it's a great thing. And I hope you jump onto the next video. Feel free to like this video, share. The more you share, the better I know. Comment, and I look forward to the next one. So happy coding, everyone.